I was wasting hours every single day trying to qualify all the leads that came our way, until I finally decided to build an AI agent that can automatically qualify all the leads and book calls on autopilot. And since installing it into our business, we made $28,000 in just 7 days. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. First, we need to understand the problem, or in this case, our before situation. We were manually checking inbox every single day. If you're not familiar with my content and company, we send cold emails at scale. So this is our main lead source. To be able to track all these leads from all these campaigns, we had to manually check our inbox every single day. We would normally get dozens, or in some cases hundreds of replies every single day, and then we would need to manually find all the interested leads. A lot of people who reply to your cold emails are not interested or just wasting your time, and you have to manually check every single reply to make sure that some of them to find the interested ones. As you can see, this is what happened in one case. We received a reply October 9th last year. I will take a look at your video. We never replied to this email because we missed it. We were receiving hundreds of replies every single day, and in some cases we even missed some replies. Now, this is a highly qualified lead. I checked their website and LinkedIn, and they showed interest to see our materials and so on, and we just ignored them. If you don't do that and you actually find interested leads, the next step would be to research their website and LinkedIn. You need to do this to make sure that your reply back to them is actually relevant and personalized. After that, you need to write a personalized reply based on the information that you found on their website, LinkedIn, and so on. In some cases, people will also ask you questions that you need to get answers to, and the more relevant and personalized the reply is, the higher the chances of them actually booking the call. And the overall output of this entire system was 10%. We were only booking 10% of people who showed interest via cold email. These are actually terrible results. So at this point, I knew I had to change something. Like, this is not sustainable, especially since we wanted to scale our campaigns even further. So let me show you exactly what I did and how it changed our business. The first thing that we did is, whenever we receive a new reply, we automatically classify the response using AI. So in this case, we have AI classifier that will automatically give certain statuses to all these leads. In this case, we have interested, meeting ready, referral, not interested, and so on. Out of office, automated replies, everything else is also flagged and is completely hidden from the inbox because we don't care about that. Now, we use our platform Prospi to do this because AI classifier is native built-in functionality within the platform. The next step is email notification. So we want to make sure that as soon as we receive a positive reply, we are instantly notified. Inside of Prospi, this usually lasts 3 to 5 seconds. Most email sending softwares have bigger delays, unfortunately. In some of them, you even need to wait 10 minutes to receive a positive reply and to be able to see it in your inbox. But within Prospi, we managed to reduce this time to 3 to 5 seconds, which means 5 seconds after someone replies to our cold email, AI classifier will automatically assign the status, let's say it's interested, and automatically send us the email notification with all the lead details and a click to reply button. I'm going to explain what that is in a second. We also get a Slack notification, and our team gets these notifications as well because we have appointment setters, SDRs, who connect with these people on LinkedIn, as you can see here, and they can open up these leads inside of CRM and immediately call them, which drastically increases the book rate. So connect on LinkedIn, call the leads, call every single interested lead. Then after that, what we do is we essentially train the AI agent or AI inbox manager. We provide all the relevant campaign information here, like lead magnet, our website, pricing, whatever we want to share with all the leads who get back to us, and we train AI on how to write, whether to keep the tone and the language casual or corporate or whatever, depending on who we're targeting. But what this does essentially is it goes back to the previous step, where when we click to reply, AI will automatically draft a new email and automatically write the entire email. So before sending, we can just check if we like the AI suggested reply, maybe edit it slightly, and then just click send, which reduced our time to get back to these leads to less than 2 minutes. Usually it's within seconds, but if you can get back to all the leads within 2 minutes, you're definitely going to increase your book rate. Ultimately, after implementing all these steps, now keep in mind all these features and AI agents and everything are native and available within Prospi. If you want to build this yourself, it would take a lot more time. You can definitely do it. It's achievable using make.com, N8N, and so on. But we just configure it with a couple of clicks within Prospi. The book rate skyrocketed to 55%, meaning if you receive 10 positive replies, we book 5 calls. In some cases, we were receiving hundreds of positive replies in a single day. So you can definitely see the difference here. Without all these steps, when you manually write all the replies, book rate is 10%, sometimes even worse than that. And if you just add AI to all these different steps, so first we have, let me just remind you. First, we have AI classifier. Then we train AI inbox manager, which then sends the notifications to our Slack channel and to our email. So if you implement these steps, the book rate for your positive replies will definitely increase. In our case, these results are 5.5 times better than before. That's pretty much it. That's the entire system. That's the AI classifier that we use in our cold email campaigns. And I can guarantee you, if you implement all these steps, you'll see a huge increase in booking ratio from your cold email campaigns. Now that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you want to learn more about AI and cold email and how to scale your agency or SaaS company through cold email funnels, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, because I'll be posting videos like this every single week.